WSET Level 2 in Beer.
From Chapter 1, Introduction to Beer and Styles.
Flashcard number 10. What is green beer? Here is the answer.
Green beer is the young beer at the end of fermentation, still cloudy with some undesirable aromas. From Chapter 2, Tasting and Evaluating Beer, Flashcard number 61. Why is expressiveness important for experienced tasters? Here is the answer.
It reveals how ingredients and processes shape the beer's character and aids accurate quality judgment. From Chapter 3, Malt, Malted Grains, and Adjuncts, Flashcard number 8. Which grain is most commonly malted for brewing? Here is the answer.
Barley. From Chapter 4, Water.
Flashcard number 12. What off flavor can very high sulfate levels cause? Here is the answer.
Sulfury off flavors. From Chapter 5, Hops and Other Flavorings.
Flashcard number 14. Between which latitudes do hops generally grow? Here is the answer.
Between 35 degrees and 55 degrees north and south of the equator. From Chapter 6, Yeast and Bacteria, Flashcard number 11. At what temperatures do lager yeasts typically ferment? Here is the answer.
Around 7 to 15 degrees Celsius, or 45 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, over 7 to 14 days. From Chapter 7, Brewing, Flashcard number 30. How is beer carbonated during bottle conditioning? Here is the answer.
By sealing beer with active yeast and sugar so a second fermentation dissolves carbon dioxide into the beer. From Chapter 8, Malt-Driven Styles.
Flashcard number 18. What hop character may appear subtly in Märzen? Here is the answer.
Spicy, floral or herbal notes from traditional German hops. From Chapter 9, Hop-Driven Styles.
Flashcard number 8. What is the color and clarity of Czech Pilsner? Here is the answer.
Golden color and clear. From Chapter 10, Yeast-Driven Styles.
Flashcard number 12. What color and clarity define triple? Here is the answer.
Golden color and clear. From Chapter 11, Mixed Fermentation Styles. Flashcard number 25. What defines oud brewing? Here is the answer.
Sour brown beer with stronger malt character, aged in stainless steel. From Chapter 12, Other Specialty Beers.
Flashcard number 15. What are the two methods for producing gluten-free or gluten-reduced beer? Here is the answer.
Using naturally gluten-free cereals or adding enzymes to break down gluten. From Chapter 13, Storage and Service of Beer.
Flashcard number 11. What aroma is associated with light strike? Here is the answer.
Skunky or cat urine-like smell. From Chapter 14, Beer and Food. Flashcard number 2. Why do pairing outcomes vary from person to person? Here is the answer.
Because individuals differ in taste sensitivities and personal preferences.
Welcome to our WSET Level 2 in Beer Flashcards, where your study time fits your lifestyle. Whether you're at the gym, walking, cycling, or cooking, you're learning. Download the full pack now at brainbeats.gumroad.com. That is BrainBeats.gumroad.com. Learn smart. Stay moving. Master the WSET with BrainBeats.